This is my Lego-Gumball machine I made. There is where the gumball comes out. That's the coin slot, and this is the coin tray. I like this machine because it's only 3 colors. Let me give you a 360 view. So what you do is you get 5 cents, put it in the machine, and you have a gumball over here. And the coin is simply right here in that little slot. So now I will show you how it works. So here's the mechanism. The gumball is down there, and whenever you take 5 cents, it hits the gumball right out. And the coin, you're going to shake into this tray. So, that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment on this video and tell me if you liked it. Bye.